whoever is able to identify the logo, only one by one strip I'll remove. Whoever is able to identify the logo will only raise your hand. Okay? You'll raise your hand and you will wait. I'll open your mic and you will give me the answer. Okay? So let me give you a spoiler alert. This is not easy. All right? So obviously easy है तो क्या शिवाजी जयंती पे celebrate करना. If it was easy, then what big deal, right? Okay, ready? Shall I start? Okay, children, ready, ever ready? Here we go. First screen removed. Think, think and answer, okay? Don't give some funny answers. Huh? Think and answer what it could be. Subhan raised his hand, so I'm going to open the mic for Subhan.
Phoenix Mall.
Jesus Christ. My God, that's correct. Subhan, that's awesome. Matlab, I just gave so much of it and you could identify it as Phoenix Mall. You know what this game is going to do? This game is actually going to help me understand how observant you are. Because you children go to many places. I know that very well. Now, when you go to different places, are you paying attention to things around you? Are you paying enough thoughts to what you see around you? Are you able to register what you look around you? All these are very important things. So cool, superb, super opening, Subhan, super opening. Okay, next. Everybody's mic is closed. Next, we start. Okay, ready? Here we go. Yes, Vihan, you raised your hand. What do you think it is?
I think it's McDonald's.
No, it's not. It's not. It's not. Subhan has raised his hand. Yes.
Ferrari logo.
Sorry, what?
Ferrari's logo.
Ferrari's logo. Good attempt, but no, this is not Ferrari's logo.
No, you are only showing us red. We can't understand.
Attempts, children. Attempts. Please give your attempts. Ranveer is saying something. Do you want to raise your hand or Ranveer, what are you telling?
Ma'am, please.
Please what? अरे पहले तो आधे इंच का रेड स्ट्रिप था, अभी तो 1 इंच का रेड स्ट्रिप हो गया. Yes, Subhan.
So, I think it is China's flag.
It is a logo. It's no flags. It's a logo. It's a company's logo.
Which company has this?
Okay. I'm going to open one more screen. Yes, Ranveer has an answer. Yes. What is it, Ranveer? Open your mic. Array, I'm clicking. Wait, I think it's a network problem. Wait, it is not opening your mic. Oh God. Ah, come on. Wait, Ranveer, I am unable to open your mic. Ah. Are you able to open your mic, Ranveer? Oh dear God, what is this funny thing? Oh, he went off network. Okay, so I have to wait for Ranveer. Subhan, please wait, please wait. I have to give Ranveer a chance. He just happened to log out, so I have to wait until he comes back. Please, please, please. Because if it was a regular classroom, if he raised his hand, he would get his first attempt, no? So please, 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 please wait. Please wait. Please wait.
Ma'am,
Ah,
ma'am, it is Reliance Smart.
no, it's not Reliance Smart. Oh dear, it's not Reliance Smart. One
Oh
minute.
no.
Ranveer,
Yeah.
you just skipped that. 1 minute. Yes, Subhan, I'm opening your mic.
Geomart.
Yes, it is Geomart. Yes, it is Geomart. Subhan gets one more. Oh God, cool, cool, good going, guys. Good going. Very nice. Next, are we all ready? We ready for the next one? Cool. Ranveer, you're not looking at the screen. You're going to lose your chance. Yes, Subhan. Subhan raised his hand first.
Star Bazaar.
You are right. You are
Star Bazaar.
absolutely right. This is Star Bazaar. You are absolutely right. Children, let me tell you one thing. During this screen time, if you want to look left and right, then don't tell me you got late in giving the answer. Huh? That's okay. Here. Next screen. Next screen. जितना जल्दी फटाफट खत्म no, रणवीर ऐसे क्या पहले से हाथ ऊपर करके रखना That's funny. विहान नींद से जागो जागो मोहन प्यारे. Come on. You know all of these. Why are you quiet today? And what is it that you have in your hand again? See, that is your distraction. You are distracted. That is why you're not able to focus. Come on, Vihan. What is this? Vihan first, then Ranveer.
Reliance Fresh.
You are right. You are right. You are right. This is Reliance Fresh. See, Vihan, you're just not distracted and you're able to answer. Why are you not participating unless you're pushed for it? Don't do that. Come on, be active. सुबह उठ गए हो तो फिर हाथ मुंह धो के बैठो. Okay, who can tell me what is this? Subhan has already raised his hand. Yes, Subhan.
Season Mall. Season Mall. Seasons Mall.
I can't believe this fellow. He's just too much. Oh my God, he's too much. He's too much. Subhan, you're just too much with this. Excellent. Very observant. Very observant. Very good. Very good. We just have a few more and then we are going to go on to our Shivaji celebrations. Okay. So come on. The rest of the class, buckle up. Come on. Subhan raised his hand first. Yes, Subhan.
McDonald's.
No, no, not McDonald's. Think, y'all are not thinking. Move yourself. Come on, think. Yes, Ranveer, open your mic.
Ma'am, Ferrari's logo.
No. Ferrari's logo will be like this.
It's curved over there.
Ferrari's logo will have such a long strip of red under it.
No.
Subhan is still raising his hand. Yes, Subhan.
KFC.
No, no, no. Y'all are forgetting. All those red, they have a box. It is having a corner. This thing is not having a corner. It's having a curve. Yes, Vihan is raising his hand. Tell me, Vihan. Yes, Vihan, open your mic. Yeah. Oh, yes, do it.
It's Burger King.
No. Eh, कुछ भी नहीं बोलने का. हाँ, चलो चलो. Y'all are using this icon every day. Once again, it's Subhan. Yes.
Pizza Hut.
No. Okay. Now I'm going to just burst the bubble. This has nothing to do with food.
One more slide. One more slide.
Ma'am, one more slide.
Children, please think. Thoda sa socho. Don't try to find things easy. If it's difficult, still try to work it out. Come on. Okay.
Please, one more. One more.
Subhan, can you please close your mic? I'm unable to do it from here.
One more slide, please.
Okay. Vihan, you ought to know this. Come on. Ranveer, sit straight. Yes, Ranveer, tell me.
Ma'am, only Geo written on it.
No. Yes, Subhan, bolo.
Mazo, same only Geo.
No, this is not Geo. Vihan, jago. If I open this slide, you all will be like, oh my God, हमको ये समझ में नहीं आया क्या? Yeah, Subhan is raising his hand. I don't know what's happening. I'm trying to open his mic, but it doesn't seem to let me do that. The
Not
mic is
Vodafone.
quiet.
Not
Oh,
Airtel or
it's not Vodafone. It's not Vodafone.
Airtel.
Children, come on.
Ma'am, open one more slide.
You are saying Airtel. Airtel के राउंड में ऐसा रेड रहता है क्या? उसने वोडाफोन बोला तो तुमने एयरटेल बोल दिया. ये क्या है?
Ma'am, one.
Children, please stop telling me to open one more slide. I will do it when it is necessary. One more time you all tell me to do that, I will not give you your chance only. Okay, very clear. Instead of wasting time thinking कि next screen में क्या होगा, जो है तुम्हारे पास उसमें सोचो कि इसमें क्या है. Because when you're constantly thinking of the next slide, no, you're not focusing on thinking what this could be. Yes, Subhan.
Reliance.
Huh?
Reliance.
Reliance? No, this is not Reliance. Okay, now I'm going to open one more slide. Yes, Subhan. No, no, no. Subhan raised his hand first.
YouTube.
Yes, YouTube.
YouTube.
Yes, this is YouTube. Yes, this is YouTube. See, it's a split second. Okay. So, yes, this is YouTube. Chalo, one more, one more. Chalo, one more. Let's see. Let's see. All is not lost. Chalo, one more. Ranveer, you are yet to open your account. Vihan has one. You are yet to open your account. Come on, focus. Don't keep biting your nails because you're only focusing on biting your nails then. This is going to be tougher than the rest of them. But if you all have paid attention, you will definitely know it. This is going to be tougher than the rest of them. I actually thought grade 6 will be able to tell this. Yes, Subhan.
I think it is this Play Store. Play Store.
No, it's not. One more guess and then I will tell what this exactly is. As in, I can give a, I can give a clue on what this is. Yes, Subhan. Okay,
I
Subhan.
think
Sorry, baby, I cannot hear. I cannot hear. I cannot understand what you're saying.
Adidas. Adidas. Adidas.
Okay,
Adidas brand.
Adidas. It is not Adidas. It is Adidas. Okay, it is not
Adidas.
It is Adidas. But no. Okay, now I'm going to give a guess of what this is. Oof, there is a mosquito that's coming around to bite me since a while. Okay. What I'm going to tell you is this is a logo that that the government has come up with. This logo belongs to the government. It's a government initiative. This logo is a government initiative. Yes, Ranveer?
Ma'am, World Health Organization.
No, this is an Indian government initiative. This is an Indian government initiative. Yes, Vihan, tell me.
Arogya Setu.
Arogya Setu, no re bacha. This is not Arogya Setu. Okay, now I'm going to open one more slide.
Being human वाला लोगो.
Being Human, सलमान खान का जो ब्रांड है वो गवर्नमेंट नेशनल इंडियन गवर्नमेंट का इनिशिएटिव है. हाँ, really? पढ़ा कुछ भी. What is? चलो 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 think. This is a Indian government initiative. Chalo, we have to finish this fast. If this is going to take time, this will be the last one for today. Yes, Vihan is raising his hand. Yeah, open your mic, Vihan.
Ma'am, the correct answer is Swachh Bharat.
My God! How did you get that?
Swachh Bharat, yes.
Oh my God! How did you get that, kids? He deserves a clap. Good job. Very good job. He absolutely deserves a clap for this. Excellent work. Excellent work. Very, very, very good.
Swachh Bharat.
Ranveer, if you're going to keep your focus on something else that's around you, you're not going to be able to focus on this. No matter what is the disturbance around, I have taught you all how to keep your focus. There will be hundreds of things around you, but you have to keep your focus. You've got to learn to ignore those distractions. Fihan, I am super proud. This was not going to be easy at all, but you got this. Amazing job. Excellent work. Super duper. Very good. Everybody clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Ranveer, it is very important that if you're losing, you lose with a good heart. Don't keep whining because you lost and keep getting upset and all those things. Please. I
And
think
who
I've
is the
learned
winner?
several times to stop doing it. Yes, Subhan, tell me. Yes, Subhan Bolo, you're telling me something?
Who is the winner?
Huh?
Who is the winner?
You. You answered most of it. You are the one who
Ma'am.
answered most of it. Yes.
So how much?
How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 right. You guessed 5 of them. Cool, good, good. Children, clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. Absolutely clap for yourself. It is very easy to blame others when you don't win, but that's not the right way to go. All right, everybody got equal chance and everybody has to put in the same effort. Come on, everyone clap for yourself. Clap for yourself. And on that note, let's take a break. And in our dear time, we are now going to do our Shivaji Jayanti celebration. Okay? Chalo.